guys, welcome back to Ride It Wrench It. We're at the State Fair, and we're getting ready to watch the Dallas Police Department, the motorcycle division, do their rodeo stuff that they do with the cones. It's really exciting. These guys are great riders.
Dallas Police Department motorcycle unit. I've been on almost 25 years. And I've been on one of these motors for about 17 years. All right, now watch Will's posture as he goes through. His posture keeps those shoulders level on the horizon, head and eyes level on the horizon, and lets that light move underneath him. Nicely done. So Jason tomorrow's going to go in, flip Will, start kicking the tight. Very nice. We're going to have to see Nicole Jeff Hall go in. Stand right on that blue dot. Okay. You can either face them and see it coming, or turn this way and pray. It's up to you. All right, I have your back. Just way back over here. All right, Officer Galindo. All right, guys. Stand there anymore. Someone here. Can you help her? Can you help her ask? Okay. Okay. Thanks, Officer Galindo. We don't want to end on that note. I'm not going to end on that note. Let's get it one more time. Let's get it one more time now. I don't think we heard you guys enough. This is real difficult, as you can see. You guys have that perfect timing going around. Good. Nice. There we go. We got to finish on a good note there. We can't wait for a tow truck because the president's coming by. We don't want him to see it like that. So we have to be able to pick it up the proper way and not get hurt. This is a 900-pound motorcycle. So you're not going to be able to pick that sucker straight up. You're going to have to do what Officer Amaro's doing. Keep a bend in his knees, put his rear end in that seat low. Keep that bend in your legs so you can use your legs to pick it up. Roll it onto his tires. No big deal. It rolls right onto his tires. Little steps going back. Nicely done. Into the offset, into our handcuffs. Nice. Back into our offset. Excellent. Very well done. Give it up for them, guys. Excellent. James Johnson, who just had a birthday yesterday, is going to enter with Sergeant Rockwell. I think we need to move right on to 4. Don't you guys think so? Let's skip 3. Let's do 4. Go in there with him. See, go from Jeff Hall. 7 weeks of field training. That's really learn how to ride side by side with another officer on the road. I think we're ready. Now Daniel's going to bail out. James bailing out. Justin down. I'm going to bail out.
All right, guys, so that was it. That was freaking awesome, man. That was Dallas Police Department, the motorcycle department, doing a police rodeo qualification and mandatory maneuvers. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't get to see stuff like that all the time. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure and subscribe and visit our channel at rideatwrenchit.com.